right, Power Squad. So we're here, actually where it all started, and
I've never seen anybody dedicate themselves to something completely and fail. I've never seen somebody eat right, go to the gym every day, train really hard, and not be in good shape. The universe is extremely giving. If you actually try, and you actually want it, and you're actually not making excuses, lying, talking shit, you're gonna get what you want. New rule! If I start hanging out with somebody or I get in somebody's car and their phone's not charged, I'm gonna remember it. If they have no gas in their car, I'm gonna remember it. 3 strikes, you're out. Next time I see this fucker, they better have a full tank of gas and a full fucking phone battery. People who have no phone battery and no fucking gas in their cars give me anxiety. I don't like it. It's too unorganized. They're too calm in a space of disorganization. It means their lives are probably a mess. Their fucking apartment's probably fucking covered in cockroaches. Of all the difficult things there is to do in your life to make sure that you can basically live functioning and prepare yourself for all contingencies, charging your phone and putting gas in your car got me 2 of the fucking easiest. If you're walking the planet and can't manage to do those 2 things, I don't want you anywhere near me.
I'm a hustler, you know what I'm saying? I know that I can leave out this building and go stir up some more shit. I just always been a person that I'ma always gamble big on myself. This is how I was raised, like gamble big and win even bigger.
Exactly.
what's going on, Power Squad? Will Power here, and I'm with Ethan Crow. And we got our third ride along.
McGuire.
Yeah, Jerry McGuire, show me the money.
Show me the money! That's it, brother, but you got to yell that shit! Show me the money! I need to feel you, Jerry! Show me the money! Jerry, you better yell! Show me the money! I love black people! I love black people! Who's your motherfucker, Jerry? You my motherfucker! What you gonna do, Jerry? Show me the money! Congratulations, you're still my agent.
So we're heading out to East Point to get the 50, what is it? 50 worst list.
See if they updated it.
All right, and show McGuire how I did pull up a government list. And then after, we're gonna do some driving for dollars in the,
I think it's the southeast area of Atlanta inside of the perimeter.
so that's where we're heading today. We just had some Cuban coffee and some guayaba and cream cheese pastries. Little Cuban flavor from McGuire. All right, stay tuned. Question again.
So how do you pick an area that you haven't been to? What area do you go to?
Basically, Ethan, every day we have a map that we highlight where we've been. Ethan checks it out and see where we're gonna go. Or if we got like a project or a walkthrough or an errand we're running in a certain area we haven't driven for dollars, we'll go there.
Okay.
But so far, we've ate up Atlanta just about.
Metro Atlanta, inside the perimeter, we've got it all.
I think this is the only place that we haven't been.
Yeah, there's a couple of little pockets here and there, but for the most part, we got it all covered.
Okay.
You cannot quit, you cannot give up. You need that momentum to break free. When a rocket is flying out towards the moon to escape the atmosphere, it doesn't fucking pause halfway up the sky, does it? No, it keeps going. You are the only person who can make this work, and you're also the only person who can fuck this up.
All right, Power Squad, so we're here at East Point City Hall trying to get that 50 worst list. Heard it here first. Willpower. All right, so we don't know, they either changed it around or now they sent us to another building. So let's see if it's either the lady in the front, we didn't recognize her, so she might be new. So now we're walking to the other building. Let's see what happens there. They send us back here. So right now we were talking to the guard and he started laughing. He was saying that a bunch of people have been coming and asking for the 50 worst list. So I guess we've been getting a lot of ninja followers following our leads. Yeah, buddy.
Hey, good afternoon. We're trying to get the list of the 50 worst properties in East Point.
As we knew. All right, so apparently they changed the procedure, so now it's over at this other building.
So we came here before. We actually went to the other building to get the East Point 50 worst properties list.
Okay.
And they gave it to us at the other building, but this time they told us to come over here to get the list.
I don't have it.
Okay, so we just gotta go over there.
Yeah. Did you go to the annex on Normanberry Drive?
No, ma'am. It was just the building right
Oh,
across the street.
the one,
The city hall right here. Next one.
oh, over here.
Oh, sorry. I was...
Yeah, that's okay. Because see, they used to be in another building on the other side of the railroad tracks. All right, you have to go to the annex. it's on Normanberry Drive. I think the address is 2757.
2757 Normanberry Drive.
Don't quote me on it. But it is an old school, and it has a big sign out front that says East Point Annex. Do you know where Normanberry Drive is?
Yes, ma'am. I have it pulled up right here.
Okay.
All right, cool. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Appreciate it.
Yeah, go in the fire department.
All right, so they changed it up. We're walking back to the city hall. They send us from the city hall to the East Point police headquarters. Now they send us to another building, but we're coming back to where we originally got it last time and telling the lady, you know, we got it from a lady here. See what happens. Let's go. All right, so they changed it up a little. So what's up? They gave us an email. Shout out to Shannon.
They're just gonna email it to us since they're running behind.
All right, so now they're behind, so we're gonna get an email. So that's how it is. Getting those government lists, never as easy as just walking into City Hall and getting a freaking list. We'll see.
And these guys are out driving for dollars. Make sure you look for houses that look like shit. Bang, bang, bang. I'm not living there.
Sid, we got one for you right here. This duplex. We're out in Conley, and this little area here is all full of duplex. We found one for you. Yep.
Normal middle schooler shit. Gonna see what she does on
I'm a hustler.
What's going on, Power Squad? I don't know if you can see it, but over here on this house, it really doesn't look distressed. There's a tip that my mentee guy here, Ethan, came up with. Look for lock boxes. This house didn't look distressed, but we saw that it had a lock box, so we got down the information. So look out for lock boxes if the house doesn't look distressed. Willpower tip.
It's not coming up. It's got one of those. It's at 186.
Got you.
All right, guys, see if you remember this house over here where the tree fell with the blue tarp. They still haven't sold it, so we're gonna reach out and see what's going on with this one. So we have brought Dell, our second ride-along, and we brought McGuire, our third ride-along, to check out the tree house. Yeah, buddy. What's going on, Power Squad? So we're back here at the crib. We got McGuire over here, our third ride-along. He's gonna let us know, you know, what he thought of the experience, what he thinks of wholesaling, driving for dollars. Did a little bit of the cold calling. Saw Ethan here doing cold calling. Anything you want to add to that?
It was a good day. Shout out to the Cuban.
That's right, went there twice, 2 different locations, Brookhaven and Jimmy Carter Beach.
Yeah, buddy. That's about it.
So,
The ride along was great. 2 great mentors, I guess. And
oh
Ethan's
shit,
a
the
mentor
mentee's
now.
getting upgraded.
But yeah, they teach well. I would really recommend you guys to reach out and really go for a ride along, learn a lot about real estate, wholesaling, and they got a lot of valuable knowledge.
Exactly. Reach out if you want to learn about wholesaling. Don't reach out or you're fucking bored. I ain't got time for that shit.
Ain't nobody got time for that. Ain't nobody got time for that. Ain't nobody got time. Ain't nobody got time. Ain't nobody got time for that.
And yeah, they have great knowledge to be shared, and they're really helping me with my first deal, and I would really reach out and let them JV your first deal with you.
There you go. It's all about your success is our success. So we got McGuire over in the Kennesaw area. We got Dell in Auburn. We got Carlos in New Jersey. Who am I missing? Anybody else?
No, not that I can.
That's about it for right now.
Yeah.
So slowly but surely building the Power Squad. We're taking over one city at a time.
There we go. Give myself a pat on the back. Thanks for the testimony.
All right. So willpower, don't hire help. Build a team.
Build a dream.
There you go.
Oh shit, you threw it on.
Damn.
What's up, Power Squad? This is your reminder to hit the gym today.
Yeah, buddy.
Live a fulfilled life. You should focus on the things you can earn, not the things you can buy. You don't buy a fit body, you earn it. You don't buy a sharp mind, you earn it. You don't buy loving friends and family, you earn it.
What's going on, Power Squad? Will Power here, and I'm with
Ethan Crow.
You already know. And we found a pocket over here by the, I don't know what area this is, but
Droid Hills. This is in North Droid Hills.
Oh, look at this.
That one looks gnarly.
Rehab going on here. Look at this one, gutter, another gym.
Oh, yes.
Damn, look at that. So yeah, we found this pocket that we hadn't been through, a neighborhood that we hadn't been through here in the North Druid Hills area.
Yeah, man.
Toco Hills.
Goes to the right. Yeah, we've like
MILF.
Took some MILF.
within the entire perimeter of Atlanta. We have literally gone through almost all of it.
Yeah.
Entirety.
There's like little pockets here and there that we haven't hit, like this one.
And we found a gold mine.
Yep. That's a nice house.
Now it's just getting these people to sell.
Right.
Comment down below if you guys want to make us to make a step-by-step like course of how to wholesale.
And we're gonna do it anyways.
Well, that could be one thing that I could work on at the beach.
Oh, there you go. Yeah, making the script.
I could just do the whole thing, I think. Let's see what this house sold for.
That's nice too.
$295.
What's the square footage? What are the specs?
That's gnarly.
What does it sell for?
It says 4,000 square feet. It's a fat ass
that's
house.
huge.
Sold for no price. No price.
Oh, right here on the left.
Nice.
Somebody lives in it. This is cool.
It's all Gucci, maybe it's a gym. Dang, these houses are kind of like fucked just a little bit.
We got that. Yeah, we got that one.
You went right, you went left, so go right.
Sold.
Yep. It'll be a smooth little week. Probably won't be posting many videos next week. I'll be out in Florida. And I'll be cold calling out there, working out there. It's one thing that's great with wholesaling and being an entrepreneur. You can do anything you want as long as you do it right.
That's right.
The week after, we might have to go to Miami, maybe, you know.
The white and black look with an orange door.
Yeah, so I'm just not a fan. I don't like those black windows.
What?
That's really what
that's
throws
really
me off.
nice. What? It's really nice.
Yeah, the black windows, man.
And black windows. No, the gutters. White gutters and black gutters are the same. Some people try to charge more for black gutters. Look at this one right here. Oh, and this one right here on the left too. $10.85.
Oh damn, it's got a sticky note on it.
Oh.
Someone's been driving for dollars.
What if we welcome back here?
Our team is so efficient. We barely have to stop the car. Got anything else you want to add, Mr. Powell?
No. Just trying to focus on the 3 categories: health, wealth, and status.
Yeah, buddy.
That's all I care about right now. Health, wealth, and status. Look at this one on the left. That's like a cream color.
Yeah.
That's a nice color. Dead end.
Go to the left.
Run! Go! Get to the chopper!
For rent. Look. I wonder how much that is to rent.
Let me check.
There's a phone number there.
Oh, should I call them?
Yeah. 770.
Good afternoon. We are over here at your property. I saw a for rent sign outside. I just wanted to see how much it is to rent that property.
It's $4,600 a month.
$4,600 a month. Okay, awesome.
How many bedrooms?
How many bedrooms is in that?
Can I give you a call right back?
Yes, ma'am. That's fine.
Okay.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Bro, that house is perfect, dog. 4,600, bro.
Someone came through with the sticky
Oh
notes.
yeah, around this neighborhood, huh?
Should I sabotage it?
Yeah, go get it. See who it is. And leave ours there.
Something for us to build, since it's genuinely for us that's living in it. That's like some land for some fucking four-wheelers, bro. Cause like by then we're gonna be having decent money, and I don't have any kids, and you don't either. So, yeah, go to the left. And right out of the neighborhood. Yeah, to rent, I wouldn't mind renting it.
Reach for the stars.
No, you can come and join. Look how monkey I look. Yeah, you need to back up.
Yeah.
You want to see yourself, dog?
This-
Yeah, I see myself. Empire State Building over here.
Big.
You want to back up a little bit more? You're like fucking all the way on the screen. Bro, it's straight. You ready? Looking like normal. All right, there you go. You're on the screen. Ready? Yeah. All right, Power Squad. So we're here. Actually, where it all started, and all right, start it all over. All right, ready? 1, 2, 3. Boom.
Well, that's one of my favorite quotes.
Do you want to be in the video too?
Yeah, so I'm
okay, I'll run this.